Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. Today I am going to show you guys how to make my famous lemon pepper turkey wings. Oh my goodness, I don't know what took me so long to make this, but I am here to show you guys how it's done. So if you want to see it, stay tuned. Also, if you're new here, be sure you are subscribed before you leave the channel. Thumbs up the video if you like fried turkey wings. Without further ado, let's make it. Okay guys, let's begin. I am using almost 3 pounds of turkey wings, 3 turkey wings in total. I'll be adding some vinegar, white distilled vinegar on there with some lemon. Okay, we're just going to scrub the lemon all over it. Like I said, this is a must for me. I wash all the meat that I cook. I might not show it, but I always wash it. It's just something that I like to do. If you don't like to wash your meat, that's on you, boo-boo. Do you. I ain't judging you. Do whatever works for you. But this has been work for me. I grew up washing all type of meat. That's just me. So I respect if you don't wash your meat. So what I do is just cut the little ends of the wings, just like you guys seeing it. And then I'll be rinsing it with some just room temperature water. Just rinse it off. Once I am done rinsing it, this is what it looks like. I use a napkin to pat dry the excess water. So this is what it looks like. It's nice and dry. Now we're going to mix up our seasoning, okay? Everything will be down below, so be sure to check that out. And also guys, I see you guys not liking, might make me really upset. So be sure to give this video for me. Give it a thumbs up for me because I really truly appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, now in this little, adding some salt, lemon pepper. Where's the lemon pepper? Okay, we're adding the other tablespoon of lemon pepper in there. Next, I'll be adding onion powder with garlic powder. You guys see the picture. Also, I am adding a little bit of paprika for color. And last but not least, I think I added something else. Where is it? Creole seasoning. And that is it, I guess. Okay, now we're just going to mix it all together until everything is well combined. All the seasoning are well combined, okay? Just mix it. All right, now time to season our turkey. Now, the turkey wings are really thick. They're fat. So be sure to marinate the turkey wings really good. So I am going to pour all of the seasoning all over the turkey. And then we're going to use, well, we're going to give it a nice little massage. Once you're done adding all your seasoning, you're going to make love to that turkey. Okay, use your clean bare hand, or you can use gloves if you want. Just massage the seasoning all over the turkey. Okay, you see, give it a nice little rub. Okay, make some love to the turkey. Rub it, all the seasoning all over the turkey. Now also, you can bake this as well. For those of you guys who might ask, oh, do you have to fry it? You can bake it, you can air fry it, you can boil it. You can do what, I don't know about boiling, but you know, you can definitely bake it and put it in an air fryer. So once it is done, this is what it looks like. I am going to cover it with a saran wrap, put it in the fridge, leave it there for 2 hours, maybe 1 hour. But not 30 minutes, because these are big chunks of turkey wings. You need to marinate this for a while so it can be nice and tasty. Okay. Now it's time for me to season my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, about 1 cup. We're going to add cornstarch. This will tenderize the turkey and make it nice and crispy as well. And we also will be adding the rest of the seasoning that we used earlier. I am adding Creole seasoning with the lemon pepper, of course. I'll be adding some ground black pepper, and also I'll be adding onion powder as well as garlic powder, okay? And last but not least, I'll be adding some salt to that as well. Just mix that together until all the seasoning in the flour are well combined, and then we're going to move on to the next step. This is my turkey about 1 hour later. All right, what you're going to do right now is take your turkey wings and you're going to place it into your seasoned flour. Now we're going to give it a light coat, okay? You don't want to do it too much where you ended up having like a batter. You don't want that. You want a very light coat of the flour onto the turkey wings, because if you fry it like that, it's gonna be like flour all over the turkey or batter. You don't want that. You just want a very light coat of the flour, just like you guys seeing me doing it right now. Is just very lightly, okay? And once you're done, make sure you give it a little shake to remove any excess flour. So I'm going to do it once more for you guys so you guys can see exactly how I did it, okay? I don't know why I said okay on every single video. I'm gonna stop saying that, okay? All right. Alrighty, this is what you have once you are done. As you guys can see, it's very lightly coated with the flour. Time to fry this turkey wings. I am using my small fryer today because I didn't feel like using the other one, but I wish I did. Okay, we're going to fry it on 350 for 14 minutes, okay? It depends on how big or thick your turkey wings are, but mine's, I cooked them for 14 minutes exactly. They're pretty thick, okay? This is what they look like. This is what this one looked like once it is done. Of course, I'm going to fry it one by one because the fryer is a little smaller, and then I'll flip it over to cook the other part that didn't touch the oil. Once they're done, this is what you have. In a skillet, I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that is nice and melted, I'll be adding my lemon pepper seasoning. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the lemon pepper seasoning. You can use more if you want, but that is enough for me. I'm just going to mix it together, and basically that is it. You just want it to mix it together. Just want to melt it. You can use the microwave for this as well. Now I am going to add my fried turkey wings on here. Like I said, you can bake your turkey wings, you can air fry it, you do not have to fry it. Okay, once it is nicely sitting in the bowl, I am going to add my butter, lemon pepper butter on there all over it. You can make more, you can make less, or you can not make any at all, because from the beginning we start using the lemon pepper, so it's still gonna taste like lemon pepper. So once it is done, that's what you have. You have yourself a nice buttery lemon pepper turkey wings. And when I tell you these are amazing. You have to try it to really know what I'm talking about. These are amazing. And if you know me, you know I love fried turkey. I do have a recipe on how to fry a whole turkey, how to deep fry a whole turkey, which I will leave down below. These are very similar to it, taste amazing. You just have to give it a try to see what I'm talking about. If you're going to try this, let me know down below in the comment, because I would love to know, what do you guys think about the fried turkey wings? It's the bomb. Give it a try, guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Also, thumbs up the video for me. That helps me a lot, guys. Let's get this video to 400 likes. We can do it. We can do it. You guys just have to keep hitting that thumbs up button. And this is it, guys. Of course, I have to try it for you, break it open, and yes, this was tender. This was so juicy. It was juicy. Really, really good. Let me just break it. And do you guys want a bite? You can go ahead, take a bite of this. Oh, look at, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, this is amazing, guys. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if you're new. Thumbs up the video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Thank you.